Okay, so welcome back, everybody. I am live from Blockchain London Summit, February 2023. Probably when you watch this video will be March because today is February 28th. All right, guys, so look where I am. We're going to see what everybody think. I'm going to ask a lot of people some questions, what they want, what they think, and also we're going to do a small interview with Crypto Crack, one of the main guy from Fortune Hunters. Look where we are. It's busy right here. We have a couple of thousand people in the last 48 hours, and it's pretty cool. Again, thank you so much, and let's go on. All right, guys, so this Cryptophile, let's ask some question. Top 3 favorite tokens.
Yeah, hello from Crypto Event UK. So Matic, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine. Fine. Hey, it's not BitConnect. Why you're here and what are you doing?
Oh, we organize Crypto Event UK. So we already done 3 events last year. This year we start to organize in London, June. So welcome everyone, and we just explore. So few of our friends here, and we got a lot of Polish community as well.
Amazing. How can people find your website?
It's a www.cryptoevent.uk.com.
All right, guys.
Cryptoevent.uk.
Cryptoevent.uk. So just find him, follow him, and see what he can do. All right, next question. Top 3 tokens.
Definitely Bitcoin, Ethereum, and
Luna.
Atom.
All right, so what's your favorite three favorite tokens?
Favorite tokens? Oh my god. So my favorite token that's not out yet is going to be Arbitrum because I'm an Arbitrum maxi. The system is better than Optimism and anything else. They put zero funding in marketing. Optimism paid 32 million in marketing and quests. They've gone down. So second would be Polygon because we all know layer 2, they wanted to be the jack of all trades. And controversial, XRP.
Oh man!
Just in case the big guys win, I need to make sure I have a little bag.
I agree with that 100%. What about you?
I'm into VeChain. I've got quite a big bag of VeChains. So, I mean, I like Ethereum and I hate it at the same time, so I'm going to put Ethereum in there as well.
Freaking expensive.
It's expensive, I know. Like, that's the problem with it, and that's why, as you said, Polygon.
I can see you have some podcasts. Tell me about that, how the people can find you, what things you talk about on the podcast.
So there's 3 of us. We're called the Weaving Web 3. We met at
right
there.
Weaving Web 3, right?
Weaving Web 3. We met at Zebu Live. It's me, Stash.
Me, Chris, and our friend James.
He's a cryptocurrency accountant specialized in the UK. So we talk about everything from NFTs.
He's accounting.
Yeah,
He's an accountant specific to cryptocurrency.
I'm just, oh man.
So if you need any help, you know where to come to us.
Yeah.
I'll put link in the description. And what else you talk about except taxes, crypto, anything else? Like, do you talk
Alpha testnets,
NFTs,
everything.
Like anything that we're sort of like bullish on that we see that's going on in the system. We talked a little bit about Blur as well.
No, Blur.
Yeah, like
I'm a big like alpha drops kind of on testnets and how to get like the
About BitConnect.
no. We like alpha drops. We don't like scams.
No
right?
scams, no scams.
How often is your podcast?
Every week we
Once
try
a
it
week.
once a week every Wednesday.
What's your top favorite tokens?
I think BNB, Dodge. I'm a Dodge enthusiast, and I liked Solana, but now I'm cautious.
On the blockchain, I just met an amazing guy from Casper, CSPR network. That's amazing how small is the world, and I own some of the tokens, by the way. I love that token, so just a couple of words. I know you're busy, just a few seconds of your time.
Sure. So Casper is a future-proof blockchain. We are live at mainnet since almost 2 years. About Casper token itself, 97% of tokens are already in circulation. I believe almost 70% are staked. We are building the ecosystem with our Casper grant program. If you are willing to deploy your solution on Casper, I encourage you to apply to our grant program, which you can find on our casper.network. Cheers.
Amazing. So 70-something% are out, and almost 70% are stake. I didn't even know I can stake them. So I will stake them. I will put the link in the description. Go and check them out, and go and check whatever you want. Ask them over there. Thank you so much. Yep. Okay, so welcome back. It's Cryptophile. I just met an amazing person right here on the London blockchain summit. So we have Sonia, by the way. Now, question very short: who you are? What are you doing? By the way, your story is absolutely amazing. Tell me first, who is your top 3 crypto, your favorite, and then what do you do for a living? I hear you have a YouTube channel.
I do a lot of things, actually, Phil. Lovely to meet you, by the way. My top 3 cryptos. Well, I bet you can guess. So top one's got to be Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, and I'm a bit of an XRP as well.
No!
Yes. And I've got a few other alts as well. But yeah, to be safe, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I don't think you can go wrong. But
Today is the freaking day. All right, so I cannot wait so I can meet Craig from Fortune Hunters, and we have our amazing
Dark side.
Dark Side, the guy who is swearing a lot on AMAs. Okay, so I'm honored to speak with these guys. I'm honored to meet Craig in person. All right, so welcome back, guys. Today is the freaking day. All right, so I cannot wait so I can meet Craig from Fortune Hunters, and we have our amazing
Dark side.
Dark Side, the guy who is swearing a lot on AMAs. Okay, so I'm honored to speak with these guys. I'm honored to meet Craig in person. I'm happy I'm the shortest, but it is what it is. So, do you want to check where we are? All right, so we are in London Crypto Summit, and we have another guest, and you are on Telegram. How the people know you?
Gaston.
There we go. All right, we all know Craig, correct. So, what did you gain the most yesterday? I heard you have a very interesting stuff, so whatever you want to mention, don't share the secrets. Go ahead.
So the main thing that we mentioned yesterday was what we've said in group. There's not much we can say in a video because we'd rather do an AMA first. But what the group know is the UK government are going to work with us and we are going to work with the UK government. That was the main aim of coming to blockchain. We wanted something that would support the fortune hunters as well as we could support them as well, gaining a good partnership. And what more? You're not going to have no problems with working with the government because nobody's going to come after you because you've got the government behind you.
How about you, my man? How you find this thing so far?
Yeah, really good. It's good to see how a lot of other projects work. Some of the things I kind of I like, some of the things I'm not so sure about, but effectively it's about meeting, like you say, real people, getting ourselves out there, seeing how other people do things, talking to people about how we want to do things. So I think what's really important to fortune hunters is the 4 things that we talk about, which is security, transparency, profitability, and community. And community is the most important of all things. So seeing how other people do things, how potential projects that are out there could possibly integrate into some of our ecosystem is really exciting and a really exciting time.
We've got exciting times. We've seen some things that we're going to possibly implement into the fortune hunters that is going to make us, I'd say, 20 times different. We're evolving with time. That's all we're saying.
All right, guys, that's, I think, right here, whatever is happening in the last 48 hours, this is just mind-blowing. All right, what about you? You're coming from all the way from Portugal just for this event. How do you finding so far? Sorry, I will just come this way.
It's been amazing. Like, I didn't know any of these guys personally, so as you were saying, like, we are always behind a keyboard talking, but then coming here, see them personally, you get this inspiration for them. Like, they pass this message of inspiration, but when you really are present, you really understand what they are trying to do, and my mind just got blown. So it's been quite a good.
We're real people, and community is everything to us. DeFi projects live and die based on the communities. So that's something that we're always looking to build upon and make tight knitted. And if there's people talk about their sort of like some problems that they have, we all club together. Sometimes we chip in money to help them, and so it's all about community. It's all about real people.
Think about how many other projects you met one-to-one. You can shake their hand, you can give them a hug, you can go and get a beer, water, wherever you drink coffee. This is, So basically, this is real. Right here we are. Again, thank you so much for everybody who's watching. Do you want to say anything at the end before we wrap up?
Happy hunting.
Happy hunting.
Just make sure that if you can, drop us in on our Telegram chat. Come along, see what we are about, see our community. You're gonna love it, I'm sure. Just pop in.
All right, and
look after yourselves, look after each other.
It's only the beginning.
Yeah, we're just beginning.
Just the beginning.
Just getting started.
It's just the beginning. All right, stay safe there. Use a ledger. All right, don't trust anybody, especially the scammers. Love you all. Bye from now.